Hi, my name is Anna and welcome back to my videos. Today, you can subscribe to my channel. My channel is called Anna's Channel, and so I'm gonna be basically there is a video about, I'm not gonna tell you, it's a surprise. So you can subscribe if you want on my channel. So I'm going to be adding more videos. Before I start, I'm going to show that something changed. I got this new microphone. My mum bought it for me, and it did come in handy after all. So this video is going to be about this, I'll get it, this big book. It's called an encyclopedia. First, it was hard for me to say, but I got the word encyclopedia right. So it's an encyclopedia, which means it's like a fact book, and it's about animals. Pretty cool, isn't it? And it says there are over 1,000 illustrations and photographs. That's a lot. So today I'm going to be showing you the cats and hyenas, page 92. Okay, so cats and hyenas. So I'm going to show you a picture. Here it is, a picture of what's called an ocelot. Okay, now we're also going to be reading about ocelots. They are a pretty rare animal. So yeah, they're very furious and they eat like about medium-sized prey or something like that. Humans don't exactly know, but I think some people do. Okay, so ocelots. These species, which means a type of animal, they fight really furiously and sometimes to death, which is really, and they're very defensive of their territory, which means like their land, their home, their thing. Okay, so they are like about, let's say, half a meter tall or something, a meter or half a meter tall, or like that, a few feet, like 3 feet or something, like that. So, and the next thing I'm gonna be telling you is about the hippos, also known as hippopotamus. Okay, so their diet is savanna grasses, which is like a habitat is so there are different habitats. Some are wetlands, savannas, and that's what we're looking at. Savannas are where like lions and big cats roam. Okay. So they graze on that type of grass. Okay, and so their habitat is short grasslands, rivers, lakes, and muddy wallows. Muddy, so they can hippopotamus. I've got a fun fact. So if they are out of the water too long when the sun is out, then their skin will get all dry, and the mud helps them to cool off. That's why they roll around in the mud sometimes. So it's pretty cool how hippopotamus stay cool in the mud. Okay. So grown-up hippos are very protective of their cubs. and they sometimes might fight to death, like the ocelot. It is kind of a bit sad, but yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. I'm going to be making more videos with this microphone, which is going to be easier to speak and easier for you to hear. So, see you back in the next video. Bye!